This brief video will be concerning converting degrees, minutes, seconds to decimal degrees. So the most common way of looking at degrees, especially longitude and latitude, has to do with degrees, minutes, and seconds. It might seem archaic to us, but it does make sense because just like hours, minutes, and seconds, it's using the same idea. Plus, remember, a degree is based on 360 degrees. And so these are based on also 60s of a sort. All right, so degrees, minutes we use an apostrophe, and the seconds we use a quotation or double apostrophe. And now to convert to a decimal, clearly we know it's going to be 35 point something. And the question is, what is this something? Well, it's fairly straightforward. All we need to do is take this 10 minutes, and we're going to divide by 60 because there are 60 minutes in an hour. And then we're going to take the 15, and we're going to divide by the number of seconds per hour. So not by 60, but by 3,660, or 3,600. Where'd we get that? 60 times 60. 60 times 60. And all we're going to do is add that to the 35, but we already have the 35 over here. So this right here is going to be my remainder. So just plug that into your calculator all together and then write it over there. And in the end, I'll get, and I'll say an approximate value here because I get 0.170833333 repeating, so 08 will work there. And that is how we convert. Now to convert backwards, to go from here to there, you just have to take it and undo that. So now let's actually start to undo it. Let's say I have, I don't know, some random thing, 31.221. Now to undo, what we have to do is consider the first part. We already have 31 degrees right there. So I'm now looking for minutes and seconds. Well, this is a percentage or a part of the minutes. So this is 0.221. So when I take 0.221 and multiply that by 60, that'll give me the approximate value of minutes. So I get 13.26. 13.26. So this 13 goes here and becomes the minutes. And I'm going to repeat that process with the 0.26. I'm going to take the 0.26 and multiply by 60 again. Why? Because this is how many minutes I have. So to find out how many seconds, I'm going to take the remainder and multiply by 60. Again, this 60 times this 60 will give me that 3,600. And now we can finish it off to be 15.6 minutes, or excuse me, seconds. So 31 degrees, 13 minutes, and 15.6 seconds.